Where do you sleep? Wardrobe, bed, shelf. What do you put your head on when you sleep? Pillow, carpet, hanger. Where do you keep your clothes? Rug, lamp, wardrobe. What wakes you up in the morning? Alarm clock, blanket, poster. What covers the window? Curtains, sheet, cushion. What gives light in your room? Duvet, lamp, sheet. What is a small carpet called? Rug, shelf, picture frame. What do you use to hang clothes? Blanket, pillow, hanger. What is a big bed for two people? Single bed, bunk beds, double bed. What is the top inside part of a room? Ceiling, carpet, chest of drawers.
I hope you liked the video. Want to study more? Check out the PDF in the description below. It has more activities and exercises to help you practice your English and improve even more. Download it and keep learning. See you in the next video. Bye!